Are you trying to set up a messenger bot for multiple Facebook pages using Rails? It can be a bit tricky, especially if you're new to Rails. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through the setup process together. I completely understand how overwhelming it can be when you're trying to integrate multiple pages into your bot. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with the Facebook Messenger gem. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked how to set up a messenger bot for different Facebook pages using Rails. They successfully created the bot for one page, but are unsure how to extend it for multiple pages. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the issue here? The user has created a configuration provider, but is unsure where to place the example provider class. This is a common point of confusion for many new Rails developers, but we will clarify it step by step. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up your bot for multiple pages, and I promise you'll feel much more confident in your Rails skills. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to ensure that the configuration provider is correctly set up. The user should place the config provider class in a dedicated file within the initializers directory. Next, the user should ensure that the bot method correctly references the bot class. This is crucial for the configuration to work properly. Now the user needs to verify that the database queries are correctly set up. The error indicates that the query is looking for a column that doesn't exist. Finally, the user should test the entire setup to confirm that the bot is functioning as expected across multiple pages. This can be done by sending test messages to the bot. Fun fact, did you know that the first chatbots were created in the 1960s? They were simple programs that could mimic conversation. Today, we have powerful tools like the Facebook Messenger bot that can handle complex interactions. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests simplifying your bot method. Instead of referencing the application directly, you can use just the bot or core bot model. This change should help you align with the template code provided in the Facebook Messenger gem documentation. The user also points out that the access token for method may be receiving a hash, which could be causing issues. They recommend reviewing the source of this value and suggest sticking closely to the template code for better results. Here's a pro tip. Always test your bot with a few different pages to ensure everything is working smoothly. This will save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to set up your Messenger bot for multiple Facebook pages with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Rails development.